Stop worrying yourself, man.
Gone.
Charlie light post gone. All the blood that light post.
No road, no pier, brother.
Baba, dog, go over there, man. Go down there, you know. You're fuck.
Good morning, people. This is the current situation of Stand Up Hill Garden Town. The entire road gone. Entire road is gone. Look at it. The entire road and Garden Town is gone. This is just a walking thing. The entire road, nothing is left. Nothing is left of the road. The entire thing gone to the river. Only walk foot.
Garden Town Road, there is no road. The wall is gone. The road is gone. Only persons who are walking can cross, and bikes. It is completely impassable by vehicles. Only motorcycles and those who are walking can pass. Completely impassable.
Just sunk into the ground. This is the roof of the house. This house is packed with furnitures. No way to get them out. So you see it actually slide from all the way up so and slide go right now and just sink way. Yeah. Shoot as hell.
This is very urgent in Garden Town. The main road in Garden Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Garden Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road. We need National Work Agency emergency. We need Miss Wholeness. We need the Prime Minister. The main road in Garden Town has gone. To the river.
So some tree over there on the bridge. Some of them pitch over there.
Yes, we can.
More come down. You see like? The rise again, see there? Yo, no road can't hit
Panasos black.
Put them on? Watch it, man.
You know,
watch water rise more and more, man. Watch it.
Which way? Which way water get?
Put them on?
One road save anybody we are coming this way.
In front of Garvey. Jaja. Where?
No, sir. Oh, we are going yard. I saw the water go run our house. It's not stop now, no, sir.
We sleep ashore tonight. I find some of your last friend where you have to stay. You can't come crash. Not even daddy you can't call. A helicopter you have to call to care of. Look at it. And the road this. Watch it. That's why you nearly get fucked. Watch it. See I run chop up and say, move the chop down in the gully. All who die, alas. All who die, mark, be die, mark. You hate that.
Two burn out in this. Two burn out in this.
Fuck. No, sir, this is judgment now. Fuck.
All of them people that were there, so why them not move? Why them not move?
Sorry I'm not able to go live, but this is what the road look like at Garden Town. This is immediately after you leave out of village. And it's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking. And I'm talking about some massive stones are coming down. Aye! Head boy! Rascal! Get up, man! And run! Blood that out.
You can't move, you can't. You have to take time.
Go on.
Every made something else.
Yeah.
What kind of fucking place, man?
Wait, no?
Watch it, ah. Watch it. Watch it. Hey.
It is coming! It is coming! It is coming! It is coming like crazy! Wow, look at this! Look at this! The tree is coming! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Oh my God! Run! Oh my God! Look at that, man! Oh my God! Man, this is crazy!
Fuck. No, sir, this is judgment now. Fuck.
All of them people that were there, so why them not move? Why them not move?
Sorry I'm not able to go live, but this is what the road look like at Garden Town. This is immediately after you leave out of village. And it's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking. And I'm talking about some massive stones are coming down. Aye! Head boy! Rascal! Get up, man! And run! Blood that out.
You can't move, you can't. You have to take time.
Go on.
Every made something else.
Yeah.
What kind of fucking place, man?
Wait, no?
Watch it, ah. Watch it. Watch it. Hey.
It is coming! It is coming! It is coming! It is coming like crazy! Wow, look at this! Look at this! The tree is coming! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Oh my God! Run! Oh my God! Look at that, man! Oh my God! Man, this is crazy!
We say all I gully bus out and the people most have flood out.
If you don't get shocked about them, I'll be a fuck with them do. Waste of money.
Jaja. Oh, look there. Right and out of Bull Bay. Jaja.
When water come through my house, I want to come through feed us. Yeah. So it going to go to labor right.
Alright, when I'm trying to come off of the blood clot bridge.
So this is the bridge leading back into Portmore from the Mandela Highway. This is the Rio Cobre now. This is the current state of it. Look at the water level. The water is almost at what, 13 meters? Yeah, that's a lot of water. Oh my God.
Clad. We can't come out of my lane now. Sorry for the bad word. You can't come out of my lane to my trap. The main road this a come off. The main road this a come off. The main road. The main road this a come off. 9 Mile Bridge overflow right now. The main road this a come over.
She a run. Oh, you're second half video, so may I make it? Well, that's me a free right now, break, because this don't look good. What you need? Didn't you? But I'm not good. Yeah, man, I want to go and be a vehicle. The vehicle, I want to go for them. The Honda then get fucked up. Honda? Jeez. Jeez. Honda fit on the Civic, look like the water run.
Jaja. No, nobody rev it. No, babe. Jaja.